If Gmail is showing error code 4, don't worry just yet. This usually means there's a temporary sync issue, a server problem, or a short-term account access glitch. The good news is that in most cases, it is not a permanent block, and you can often fix it in just a few minutes by following a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to troubleshoot Gmail error code 4 so you can get back into your inbox without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should do is check whether Gmail is having a service outage. Open your browser and go to the Google Apps status dashboard at google.com/appsstatus/dashboard. This page shows whether Gmail and other Google services are currently experiencing problems. If Gmail is having a temporary outage, that could be the reason you're seeing error code 4, and in that case, the issue may fix itself once Google restores service. If everything looks normal on the status page, go ahead and move to the next step. Now, refresh Gmail directly. Open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com/mail/u/0/#inbox, then reload the page. Sometimes error code 4 is caused by a simple temporary loading or session issue, and a quick refresh is enough to reconnect your inbox. If the error comes back, don't panic. The next thing to try is clearing your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with Gmail loading correctly. To do this, click the browser menu, usually the three dots in the top right corner, then open Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you select cached images and files and then click Clear. After the cache is cleared, restart your browser and try opening Gmail again. This step often fixes strange loading problems, sync issues, and account access errors. If Gmail is still showing error code 4, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can interfere with Gmail's normal behavior. To check this, click the browser menu again, go to Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers or other suspicious extensions one by one. After disabling them, refresh Gmail and see if the issue is gone. If Gmail works after turning an extension off, you've found the cause. You can leave it disabled or remove it completely if it keeps creating problems. If none of those steps fix the issue, try signing out of Gmail and signing back in, or test Gmail in an incognito window to rule out profile-related browser problems. But in most cases, checking service status, refreshing the page, clearing cached data, and disabling extensions will solve the error. So to recap, Gmail error code 4 usually points to a temporary issue, not a serious account problem. Start with the Google status dashboard, refresh Gmail, clear your browser cache, and disable extensions like ad blockers. Those 4 steps fix the majority of cases fast. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick fixes and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.